Looking for a neighborhood bakery that feels warm and cozy? Then look no further, because Coyle's Bakeshop in Seattle has fresh treats and a homey feel waiting for you.
It's a nice little stop in the morning before I have to start work.
All the food is really good, and then the coffee is really good.
It's what I always wanted but couldn't find.
Rachel Coyle opened Coyle's Bakeshop 10 years ago, bringing her vision of the perfect bakery to life.
We have this abundance of natural resources and of beautiful produce, and money can't buy that kind of access to really fresh, beautiful ingredients. So being really particular about the ingredients and the produce that we use, and really trying to bring a higher level of technique into baking.
She's got the best croissants in town. I mean, I've had other croissants and they don't light a candle to these.
Don't miss later in the show when Rachel and I make the customer favorite Victoria sponge cake with Washington-grown raspberries.
This is really the hard part.
The upper body strength. Yeah. I always think about,
Show
I
me
think
your
about
muscles.
they're,
They are.
I can't believe you got me to do that.